Hi friends, people have been asking about my recipe for my dog biscuits, and I'll let you in on a secret. I've studied the recipe for this from this company in Portland, and I did end up talking with them, but I like their packaging, I like the ingredients, and I like that it's made with bunches and bunches of love. So I studied the recipe and I added some of my own pizzazz, which is ginger. And here I am in my kitchen. I've been baking all day, and I have a new little friend here. And also, Betty White went out in the neighborhood and asked some neighbors to come taste test the biscuits. And I think that, yes, you invited. Yep, there's the ginger. I used a lot. So you'll have to be honest. Yeah, there's Charlie. And who else did you invite, Betty? Oh, there's Biscuit. And there's Jack. Okay, let's all share. Oh no, who let the pig in? Well, you're right, Betty. We can share. We might need to share some between us, but there should be enough to go around. And I'd really like to hear your opinions about these biscuits. Yeah, taste really slowly. Wait, what is that up near the? Okay, I draw the line at snails. I don't think you would like this anyway.